Hello everyone, my name is Pallavi Marka from BSc third year. Today we are going to study about the liquid drop model. What is the nuclear chemistry? Nuclear chemistry is a branch of the physical chemistry which deals with the study of structure of nuclear, its stability and conversion into the nuclei by the change in the number of protons or neutrons in it. Herian began explained the field of chemistry to include the nuclear change when he discovered that the uranium immediate radiation in 1896. What is there is a different type of a model, nuclear model. First is the liquid drop model, nuclear shell model, framing gas model, collective model, Justin room model, Nelson model. But we are studying to liquid drop model. Let's start the liquid drop model. Liquid drop model is the model was proposed by the Nielsen Bohr in the 1937. It suggests that the nucleus is analogous in certain respect with the small electric charge drop of a liquid. A liquid drop model is a nuclear physics treats the nuclear as a drop of a compressible nuclear fluid. The fluid is made up of a nucleus, that means a proton and a neutron, which are held together by the strong nuclear force. Obviously, the nucleus cannot be assumed like a crystal arrays of a nucleus. The reason is that in case the vibration of a nucleons on either side of that their mean positive will be too strong that nucleus will not be remain stable. Hence, it's assumed that each nucleons inside the nucleus move just like the motion of a nuclear liquid. The nuclear inside the nucleus are the bond with the nuclear force. Just as a molecule in liquid bonded with the intramolecule force. When the heavy nuclei like uranium 235 exists through the capture of the thermal neutrons surface of occasional are set up in the neutron surface occasionally it's repeated then it's cut with the discard of from original shape. The comic energy attempt to the deform the drop every models like that the neutron is attached to the target nuclei to form a neutron fusion products or neutron or fusion products. That's section. There are some postulates given by the Bohr or Wheeler. Postulates. It doesn't depend in the mass number nuclei. That is, it's independent of a nuclear number of nucleons. There is a short range, a strong nuclear force amongst the nucleus, and the nucleus experience such as a nuclear force. Nuclear force are the saturated. That is, the nuclear exist force only on some neighboring nucleus. The first through the theoretical treatment of the fusion process based on the liquid drop model. According to the Bohr and Wheelers, the surface energy of a deforming nucleus in the number of deformation parameter alpha 1, the ES 4 pi r square in bracket 1 plus 2 by 5 alpha square 2 and 5 by 7 alpha 3 cube and etc. And there is the liquid drop similarities of a liquid drop and a nuclear model. The shape of a liquid drop is spherical due to the force of the surface tension. Similarly, the nucleus is also near spherically due to the nuclear force. On this basis, the radius of a nucleus must be proportional to the cube root of its mass number. This is fact be the experiment verified. The density of the spherical drop of a liquid does not depend on the volume or a radius. Similarly, the density of a nucleus also does not depend on the volume of a nucleus. The molecule is a liquid air in a constant random motion, and whenever it's as a result mutation collisions, the kinetic energy of some molecule increase to an exist of some molecule increase to an exist. They are able to cross over the mutation attraction force that leave the liquid surface and escape out into the atmosphere. This process called as the evaporation. Similarly, alpha emission due to the random collision of a different nuclei, the kinetic energy of a group of some nuclei increase to an extent that they cross over the nuclear attraction force and escape out from the nucleus. It's from the alpha particle. Thus, binding energy per nucleons of a nucleus analogous to lateral heat of evaporation, as the liquid energy corresponding to the thermal vibration of a liquid molecule, and the nucleus also has a binding energy. The density of a spherical drop of a liquid does not depend on its volume or radius. Similarly, dissimilarity in the liquid drop model and the nucleus. The collision force between the molecules are long range. Attraction force act only at the distance gravity and then the normal distance. At the distance less than the atomic distance, repulsive force act. On the other nuclear force are the short range. This force act the distance less than 10 raised to the power minus 14 meter. The average kinetic energy of a molecules are a liquid nearly 0.1 electrovolts, corresponding to which de Broglie wavelength will be nearly 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 15 meter, which is a very small as compared to intramolecular distance. On the other hand, the nucleus binding energy of a nucleus nearly 8 megavolts electrovolts, corresponding to which de Broglie wavelength will nearly 5 into minus 15 meter, which is the order success of a model. On the basis of a liquid model is a similarly empirical formula is obtained from the binding energy term of a mass number A and the atomic number Z, according to which the main contribution to the binding energy is term proportional to the mass number A, which called as the volume energy term. The combined energy B by W, beton proton, decrease the binding energy. Analogously, energy. Analogous to the surface tension, the binding energy also decreases due to the surface effect. The result obtained in a nuclear reaction with the help of the semi-empirical reaction agreed with the relation can explain the nuclear fusion. The model also successfully explains the radioactive decay like alpha, beta, gamma emissions. Moreover, the model could not explain the nuclear contrabole movement. This model could not explain the region of the most stability light nuclei such as helium mass number 4 and nuclear mass number 4 and atomic number is 2 etc, which have equal number of protons and neutrons. This model could not successfully explain the existence of the magic number. Limitation of a liquid drop model. In this the periodical nuclei proportional at the magic number of a proton and neutron does not find any satisfaction explanation in the model. It's failed to explain the stability of a heavy nuclei. The model is not agreed with the pp and NN pairing with effect which prominently observed in stable nuclei. The model ignored the independent motion if magnetic moment effect. The application of a model is limited of the nuclei to the nuclei and the media mass. In a lighter nuclei like A less than 20, most nucleus are on the surface, and the N heavy nuclei A greater than less than 150 combing effect cannot be ignored. Thank you.